click on subscribe and also click on the bell icon.
Standard 10th Life process. What is life process? The basic functions performed by living organisms to sustain themselves are called life processes. Every day we have to perform so many activities, and those activities are performed by different processes. For example, nutrition, respiration, transportation of material, blood circulation, reproduction, excretion. All these things, all these activities we are doing every day. So this all comes under the head life process. In unicellular organisms, there is no specific organs for ingestion of food, gaseous exchange, removal of waste material, etc. So what do? They perform all these activities by a single cell, as the entire body surface of this organism always remains in contact with the environment. But in case of higher organisms, the fact is totally different. So first of all, we start with nutrition. Nutrition is the process of intake food, its digestion, absorption and assimilation by the living organism. The total process is called nutrition. Now question is that, what are nutrients? The nutrients are the organic substance required for the maintenance of life and survival of living organisms. I think for standard 6 you are reading about this, you are learning about these nutrients, protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamin and minerals. These are all nutrients. They are the essential part or most important part of the food. Now, the nutrition in plant and nutrition in animal are totally different, because plants are autotroph. They can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. On the other hand, animals are heterotrophs. They depend on plants directly or indirectly for food. In a single line, we can say that the plants can make their own food, but animals cannot make their own food. This is the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Okay. So the mode of nutrition in plant, that is called autotrophic nutrition. Now, this autotrophic nutrition again can be divided into two subheads. One is photoautotroph and another is chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs means they use sunlight for photosynthesis, and chemoautotroph means they use chemicals. For example, hydrogen bacteria, iron bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, sulfur bacteria. They are chemoautotrophs. And photoautotrophs, all of you know, most of the plants. Okay. Now, how do they make their food? What is the name of that process? That is photosynthesis. What is that? Photosynthesis. Again, from standard 3, you are knowing about photosynthesis. But now, you will learn it in detail. Okay. What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. You have studied in standard 3. Gradually, the volume of the definition of photosynthesis increases. Now, you have to learn, you have to know the perfect definition and mechanism of photosynthesis. It is a process by which green plants use carbon dioxide that is obtained from the atmosphere, water that is obtained from the soil with the help of the roots. They use these things. Now, you know that the color of the plant is green. Color of the leaf is green. Why leaf is green? Because of the presence of chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. And one more important thing is sunlight. That is also important for photosynthesis. So, the process by which green plants use carbon dioxide and water with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of carbon dioxide to convert organic substance, that is glucose, is called photosynthesis. This is the only process by which inorganic substances, here carbon dioxide and water, are converted into organic substances, glucose. And you know that food is the organic substance. So this is the only way for making food. And this valuable work, important work, is done by the plants. Before going in detail, you should know some information, important terms. Say chloroplast. You know that there are 3 types of plastids available in plant cell. One is chloroplast, one is chromoplast, one is leucoplast. Now we are only concerned with chloroplast. They are the green plastids, green colored plastids present in the plant cell. And what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in chloroplast. They are photosynthetic pigments, and due to that pigment, that chlorophyll, the plastid chloroplast is green in color. Now, chlorophyll is of 7 types: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, and bacteriochlorophyll and bacterioviridin. Some other pigments called accessory pigments are also plays an important role in photosynthesis. They are carotenoids and anthocyanin. These accessory pigments help to absorb broader spectrum of light waves and transfer it to chlorophyll. One important point is that you should remember that the central metal of chlorophyll, what is the central metal of chlorophyll? That is magnesium. Okay. And one more thing, rate of photosynthesis is maximum in which colors? Blue and red colors. Okay. Now, this photosynthesis takes place in 2 phases. One is light phases, one in dark phase. That is light phase of photosynthesis and dark phase of photosynthesis.